Good afternoon. For this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to make the Russian bobbin lace. The wooden sticks are bobbins, and we'll be using those to make the lace. There are only two basic movements in the bobbin lace: the cross and the twist. These two movements can make the cloth stitch, the half stitch, braids, and tallies. But we're going to be making the cloth stitch for this tutorial.
Okay, let's start it. We have 6 pairs of bobbin lace. One pair is working pair and left edge and right edge pairs. So first we need twist 3 times and basic movement: cross, twist, cross, and gently pull up and this down. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. This is right edge pair. Twist 3 times, twist 1 time, twist 1 times, cross, twist, cross, and put pin and make a loop around the pin. 3 times 3, 1 times, cross, twist, cross. And now we continue to move working. This is working pair, move from right to left. Same. Cross, twist, cross. Cross, twist, cross. Cross, twist, cross. Gently move, pull 1 time, twist 1 time. This is twist 3 times. Cross, twist, cross. And gently move, put pin 1, 2, 3, 1 time. Cross, twist, cross. A little bit pull down. It should be tight. Cross, twist, cross. Cross, twist, cross. Cross, twist, cross. This is right edge 3 times, twist, 1 time twist, cross, twist, cross. And put pin before 3 times. Make a loop around the pin. It should be very tight around the pin. And next we continue. These passive threads should be very tight, and every time we pull down. And continue. Cross, twist, cross. Cross, twist, cross. Cross, twist, cross. Now, and to make our thread a little bit bigger, we just pull down and pull up and unwind 3 times, 1 time. 1, 2. Start to practice. This is basic elements, because all Russian patterns usually combine couple elements: close stitch and braids. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross.